Downfall is not the escape from despair and loss. When faced with despondency and loss, some choose the path of downfall. However, let's be clear, despondency and loss should not be the excuses for your downfall. Downfall merely reveals the darkness within. Don't always blame external factors for despondency and loss, that's just avoidance. Loss is not a reason, downfall is only an excuse found within your heart. The problem isn't external, it lies in the confusion and shadows within. Despair and loss are emotions, but downfall is a choice. Choosing downfall only indicates that you've discovered a dark corner within your soul. Don't turn yourself into a casualty of life's challenges. Instead, bravely confront the confusion within. Break free from the chains of downfall. Awaken the courage within. Don't let despondency and loss become an excuse to shirk responsibility. Use them to ignite the inner strength needed to face life's uncertainties. The brightness within doesn't come from the darkness of downfall, but originates from a positive attitude towards life.